Hello and welcome to the Village of Waukesha for Provision Properties' newest listing here on MacArthur Road. Nestled on this private half-acre lot in this highly desirable Waukesha community, this fully renovated 3-bed, 2-bath ranch home boasts over $70,000 of improvements, including knocking down the living room wall, creating an open concept floor plan, a complete kitchen remodel, new modern flooring throughout, main level laundry, and so much more. Let's go take a look, fall in love, and write an offer.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Want to set up a showing or just write an offer? This listing is brought to you by Jacob Sheets and myself, Matthew Lane, of Provision Properties with eXp Realty. Give us a call with the number on the screen now or in the description below. Have a great one and see you soon.
Yes,